Okay, tiny test of 4. We're going to solve equations when there's a pronumeral on both sides of the equal sign. So if you look here, there's a pronumeral, the term with a pronumeral in it, and we have another one over here with a pronumeral in it. They're on either side of the equal sign. Okay, not on the same side where we could collect them and make like terms of them, but on the other side of the equal sign. So what do we need to do? Well, in this case, we've got to get them on the same side. So we've got to move one. Now, it doesn't actually matter which one you move, but I find it's easier to move the smaller one. So I've got 12y or 16y. 12y is smaller, so I'm going to take away 12y from both sides. So it goes all together from there. And on the other side, I've got 16y minus 12y, which is 4y. Now, what am I left with over here? Now, careful, remember when you take stuff away, that sign that's in front of it is connected to that term. So I'm left with minus 8 on that side. So now I've got a question here to solve. It's actually really simple now because it's only one step. I need to look at the y and go, what happened to the y? It got times by 4. What's the opposite? Divide by 4. So that's what I need to do to both sides. It's divide by 4. So minus 8 divided by 4 is minus 2, and 4 over 4 goes and it leaves me with just y. But we don't normally write like that. We normally put the pronumeral first. So we say y equals minus 2. Okay, next one over here. Now you can see we have some brackets. And this first thing you do when you see brackets is you think, I have to expand them out. And so you go through that process and expand the brackets. So 5 times x is 5x minus 10 is equal to 2x minus 13. Now again, have a look. We seem to have pronumerals on both sides. There's a pronumeral and there's a term with a pronumeral. 2 terms and they both have pronumerals on both sides. Now which one is smaller? Well, the 2x is smaller, so I'm going to move that one. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So I take 2x from both sides. 5x minus 2x leaves me with 3x. The minus 10 is still there. 2x minus 2x is gone. What am I left with? Remember, don't forget that minus sign is connected to that 13. I'm left with minus 13. Now, I've got something like we've seen before. I have to think, well, what happened to the pronumeral? The pronumeral is x. It got times by 3, and then we took away 10. Now to undo it, I need to do the opposite, add 10, then divide by 3. So let's go through. Add 10, minus 10 plus 10 goes. I'm left with 3x is equal to minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3. So I've added 10 to both sides. Now I need to divide both sides by 3, divide by 3. 3 over 3 leaves me with x is equal to minus 3 over 3 is minus 1. We can always check by substituting it back into the original equation.